how to enable night mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode, which is a darker display on your iPhone. So, first, let's talk about the dark mode feature. So, to enable it, you'll have to go to your settings. Then, you have to go to display and brightness. Here, you can see two options, light and dark. You have to select dark to switch to night mode. And you can even set it to automatic. So if you toggle it on, this means it will change to dark mode at sunset and back to light mode at sunrise. However, if you want night mode forever, then toggle it off and then tap on dark, and there you go. This is how you enable night mode on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.